Hi, welcome to Nerdy Psychology. I'm Dr. Angel, and today I have a challenge for you. I want us to stop for a minute and reflect and look at the relationships in our life. And I want us to examine the quality of relationships we have. I want us to look at, do we feel connected? Do we feel supported? Are we providing connection? Are we providing support? Relationships and connections is such a primary need in our life. As humans, we are wired to connect with people, and connecting with people in meaningful ways is such a protective factor for depression, anxiety, and stress. This is vital to our overall health, our mental health, our relational health, our physical health. These are important parts of who we are. And so let's take the challenge together. Let's spend the next couple months taking apart how we relate with people. We're going to learn to communicate better. We're going to learn to communicate more effectively. We're going to learn to communicate more authentically. We're going to learn how to deal with conflicts and fights in a way that's productive and healthy instead of destructive. We are going to learn how we put people in our world, in our space, and what some of those boundaries in our relationships really should look like to help make them quality connections and help us to connect in a quality and meaningful way. I am so excited for this challenge, and I'm just going to encourage you to sit with this. So, all of the shows that are going to go into the relationship challenge are going to be in the relationship playlist. So, if you miss an episode, no worry, they're always there. Keep caught up, keep engaged in the comments. This is how we learn and we grow. And I'm challenging you for the next 2 months. We're going to have healthy relationships. Let's do this together.